Welcome to our channel. Today, we will guide you through a step-by-step method to fix the Cinemax Error Code 906. This error can be frustrating, but with this reliable method, you'll be able to get back to enjoying your favorite shows in no time. Let's dive straight into the solution. Darbesfrux. Step 1. Restart your device. Power off your streaming device, such as a smart TV, Roku, or gaming console. Unplug it from the power source. Wait for at least 30 seconds. Plug it back in and power it on. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable and functioning. You can run a speed test on your device or another device connected to the same network. If your internet is slow or unstable, try restarting your router. Step 3. Update the Cinemax app. Navigate to the App Store on your device. Search for the Cinemax app. If there's an available update, download and install it. Step 4. Clear app cache, if applicable. For Android devices, thank you for following along with this guide to fix Cinemax Error Code 906. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials, and don't forget to like this video. Go to Settings, Apps, Cinemax. Tap on Storage, and select Clear Cache. For other devices, check how to clear the cache of the Cinemax app through your device settings. Troubleshooting. Step 5. Reinstall the Cinemax app. Uninstall the Cinemax app from your device. Go to the App Store and reinstall the application. Log back into your account. Step 6. Check for device updates. Ensure your streaming device's software is up to date. Navigate to Settings, About System Update, and check for available updates. If updates are available, download and install them. Step 7. Contact Cinemax support. If you continue to experience the issue after following the steps above, it may be best to reach out to Cinemax customer support for further assistance. You can find their contact information on the official Cinemax website.